In this video, we review one of the best product available in the market today. We will show you the specifications and key features of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
One company stands out for being at the leading edge of innovation. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Compact Mower, powered by the 20-volt max interchangeable lithium-ion battery system. The 3-in-1 with its revolutionary deck design quickly and easily converts from a mower to a trimmer, featuring a power drive transmission for getting those trimming and edging jobs done fast. The complete solution for smaller lawns. BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Compact Mower.
Why we recommend this product. And these are rating for this product.